I wish school was tomorrow. I wish the beginning of the year was tomorrow because I would like to start right now with my kids.
Awesome. Finally, some hands-on science materials that will motivate children.
So today we're meeting with teachers from our 26 Title I schools so they can start being critical thinkers and problem solvers as we work with one of our new initiatives in Pasco County with modular robotics with a tool called Cublets. As we work with our students in Title I schools, we want to provide them with more opportunities to problem solve, become critical thinkers, think about their learning and why they're learning the way they're learning it. Cublets is allowing our students to engage in some if-then type thinking in grades kindergarten through 2nd. So students can work on designing a solution to a problem, thinking about what happened, revising their thinking, and then designing another solution.
Really, I think the most important thing I saw today in this learning is that learning can be fun again for kids. I just think that we need to make sure that kids know that learning can be fun. You can have a good time learning and still learn. And too often we put down paper and pencil and that's what it has to be, but when you put your hands on it and you can talk about it, all of that talking and all of that engagement leads to so many more bright ideas from those students. I can't wait to engage my kids. And the Lego piece, I'm like, oh my gosh, I have Legos in my room and my kids are constantly trying to do things with those Legos. As soon as I hand that Lego piece to them, they're gonna go nuts. I'm gonna have Legos driving all over my classroom, I'm certain.
Teachers today were put in some uncomfortable situations as they were put to the test in figuring out how Cublets works. We started training today, not engaging in teachers with any prior learning about what these robots did, and just had them jump in and let their minds wander as they kind of found their own solutions to these challenges I posed to them, as well as they ended up figuring out what each of these little rectangular objects do.
So to be able to have this in my classroom is going to be fabulous. I can really see the kids getting into it, and I love to teach through hands-on learning, so this is going to be excellent in my classroom. I learned that through failure you can actually learn, and it's okay if you do something wrong because something great can end up happening because of it.
I think they're going to really enjoy putting these together, exploring different ways. Probably going to be a very, very noisy classroom, but
So teachers today seem to be pretty excited, pretty motivated. As you can see, they are anxiously engaged in their materials, and they're already thinking about how they're going to transform learning in their classrooms with their students for next year.